之後就去到 Part B 嘅部分啦，我哋就去 differentiate 呢一個 y 等於 2x 加3 over 2x 減3嘅5次方。咁我哋又係先用個 chain rule 啦，咁我哋就可以將個2x 加3 over 2x 減3嘅5次方做咗第一次嘅 differentiation 先，最外嘅 differentiation。咁然之後我哋就再 differentiate 2x 加3 over 2x 減3啦。咁嗰個 differentiation 咧，咁我哋就會用到個 quotient rule。咁所以 part B 咧，我哋就會有 dy dx 等於指數抽出嚟，自己跌一個 degree，咁然之後就再 differentiate 2x 加3 over 2x 減3。咁我哋就可以 identify 翻分子分母。咁前面 keep 起，咁後面咧，我哋就先 keep 分母，再 D 分子啦。咁differentiate 分子 2x 加3啦，咁乘2啦。咁再減 keep 分子，再 D 分母，咁differentiate 2x 減3咧就會出2啦。咁over 翻分母嘅二次。咁之後咧就喺 quotient rule 嘅嗰一 part 咧，咁做簡化。咁我哋就會有 4x 減6減 4x 減6，咁就 over 2x 減3嘅二次，減 4x 減 4x 弱咗啦，咁所以我哋就會有減6減6減12，咁再乘，咁所以就變成負60啦。咁所以最終咧就會係負60 2x 加3嘅4次方，咁就 over 翻 2x 減3嘅6次方，咁就完成 part B。